So in this video we'll see how to move an edge piece from a final position to this swap position, D position. Means how can we bring this C edge piece to D, E to D, all the edge piece, how can I bring it to this swap position which is D. So let's start from A. So if I want to bring this A position piece to D, so we can do it like this. We will take this D A piece to bottom first. So it has come to this place. Now I will move it to left side, and now I will bring it on top like this. So I can take it back also from D to A again like this. I'll do opposite moves. This, move it to front and then do it 2 times, so that piece has come on this place. So this is for A. B is our buffer zone, so we are not going to use it right now. Let's talk about C. How do we bring this C piece to D place? So it will be same, just like this. We'll take it to bottom. This time this piece has gone to back. Then we'll take it to left, and then we'll take it to top. So this is how we'll take a piece from C to D. Because in the edges we cannot move these three pieces, so we have to move only these pieces, or this, or this, or this. We cannot move these three pieces. So D is already at the D place, so we'll go to E now. If I want to bring this E to D, so for that we'll do this, take it to back, bring it to front, and then take it on top. This is how we'll take E position to D. To take F position to D, this is F position, so we'll take it to back and move it on top like this. If we talk about G, we will take this to back first, bring it to front, and then take it on top. So G. For H also same, we'll bring it to front and then take it on top. After H we'll go to I. So for I, this is I, so we'll take it to bottom first, this place, and then take it to left, and then take it on top. So see, we are only moving these two layers or these two layers. We are not moving these three pieces. After I, we'll go to J. For J, we'll move it to left, then we will move it to back, and then we'll move it to top. It has come to this place. After J, we'll go to K. For K, we'll move it to back first, means on the back position. Then we'll move it to left, and then top. After K, it's L. L is very easy, just take it on top. It has come to D position. After L, let's go to M. We are not going to move M because it's a buffer piece. We are going to N now. This is N. So we'll move it to, so we can simply move it to back like this. So it is on the back side now. And then move it on top. It has come to D position. After N, we're talking about O now. So for O, take it to left side. Then it becomes G for us. And then we can simply do it just like how we did the G. So take it to back, move it to front, and then take it on top. G. Now if you talk about P, so to take it to front and take it on top. So this P position has come to D. Now let's go to Q. Q is on the back, this piece. So we want to bring it on this place. So we'll first take it to bottom, move it to left, and then move it to top. It has come to this position. Now if we talk about R, R is this place on back. So we'll simply move it on top. After R, we'll go to S. S is this piece on the back. We want to bring it on top, this place, D place. For that, we can move it to front like this place, and then move it to left, and then move it on top. S is done. Now if we talk about T, this is T. So for T, you can simply bring it in front like this, and then take it on top. So we have done until T. After that, 4 letters left, U, V, W, X. So for U, we can just take it to left and move it to top. For V, take it to left and then move it to top. For W also, take it to left and then move it to top. For X, it's simple, just take it on top. So this is how we can bring any H piece from any position to this D position. So practice these moves. So with your eyes closed and eyes open at least 2-3 times. Practice it like this, that I want to bring A piece to D position. So keep your eyes open and try to bring this A to D position. Bring this C to D position, E to D position. And then do it with your eyes open, eyes closed also. So practice this because we are going to need this while solving the cube blindfolded. And one more thing, practice the opposite of it also. So like you are bringing A to D. Once you do A to D, then take it back to A also. So for example, if I bring this P piece to D like this and this, so take it back to P also, from D to P also like this. Do just opposite of it, this and this, H back. So keep practicing this. We will be needing this while solving the blindfolded.